Alright, we should be live. We'll give it a listen to, just see if the voice is awful. A little hard to hear myself think over the window fan. Hopefully it's cancelled pretty okay.
No.
A little hard to hear myself think over the window fan. Hopefully it's cancelled pretty okay.
No.
You will hear occasional birds. Window fan. Hopefully it's cancelled. I need to mute that.
Wah.
Wah!
Wah.
Pando will be joining us.
Wah. Wah. Wah.
Yep, let's just get that over there. I don't need to really see that anymore. Alright. I don't want to update any libraries. I may set up really fast the scene switcher between the cameras since we're going to be working with stuff. Don't mind the toots, him a bird. I think that'll work. Mister, are you gonna keep doing the tutors? He's gonna keep doing that. Oh, Mr. Bird, come here, you. Come say hi. Here, come steal some of my stuff. I know you want to. You're going to do it anyways. Look. Get it. Get that. Thank you for interrupting. Oh. That's the one? Nobody even got to saw, mister. Dead set, aren't you? Thank you. Here. Get it. Get that thing. Yup. Nope. He's having none of those shenanigans. I was hoping you guys could get a little bit of a look at him, but he'll pass on that. Anyways, zooming, and I want to set up the scenes before we do anything concrete.
Nod.
There we go. Should have a dialogue somewhere telling me about which one I want to add. Oh, I already did that. Whoops. Derp. Okay. There, that's good. Yeah, I can live with it. Oh, mister, you're gonna knock everything over. And now everybody's gonna hear you. Diddly darn dang. Hey. Alright, we got it focused. That's excellent. Thank you, bird. Alright. So yeah, we have a concept in mind to do an auto waterer. We're going to work on coding that right now. Essentially, I want it to test for daylight over a continuous period, and then test the soil moisture if it has determined that it's daytime. I do imagine people will be walking or driving around periodically, so there might be headlights beaming onto it. I don't want it to just go off because a car's headlights hit it. So I think what I'll do is we'll have like a couple continuous checks over the course of like 15 minutes or so to see if there's actual consistent daylight, and after its 15-minute test for daytime, it'll then keep checking the soil moisture, and when the soil moisture is below a certain threshold, it'll turn on the pump. Yes, you're a bird. Alright, so I think we have everything we need to start the experiment. Yeah, we got the daylight sensor. This resistor is not going to be needed anymore in either of these connections to the pot. All that's going to be needed, I think, is... Oh, wait a minute. I did need the connections to the pot. Whoops! That's okay. Do our output middle, or our pin to test for, the middle pin. Do that white. I think we're hooked into A0 here. I need to get this thing a little closer to where I actually am. Bear with me. There we go. Hopefully the shadows aren't too bad. So, we'll go back to the pot. We'll do one end of it is power. We're at 5 volts here. Bah! 2 hands could help. Do that, please. Thank you. And one of them to ground. Thank you. That establishes this. This is going to be our pretend water sensor. Since we don't particularly need to actually use a soil moisture detector just yet, I'm going to use this pot and hopefully it works well. 10K, I believe. Woo! Almost lost our camera. Yeah, that's a 10K pot. So on to actually coding it. Ooh, this beast of a mic is heavy! Oh no, now our headset is beeping. Oh shit. Claire, you need to do ooh-ahs.
Wah! Wah! Ah! Oh, give your headset power! Wah!
I have an idea. Yeah. That's good. I'm just gonna put on the Wii Shop music because why not? So what do we got going on here? Importing sleep, power, and watchdog timer. We're defining some pins. Cycles to sleep. 1, that's our very minimum. Let's look at the actual logic here. We don't want to do the reset function immediately. We may not need a test daylight function. Let's just go back here. So currently we're mapping the values to 0 and 10. Let's plug this thing in. It's a little awkward. Swiveling in my chair is definitely going to move this around, so... maybe... that introduces a shadow, I don't like that. Blech, and shows off this disgusting table. Look at this hot glue bit just chilling out. And this stain. Actually, I think this is actually burned and raised up a little bit. Table's been through hell. There we go. I think that's good enough. I'm not hitting the cable at least. So anyways, up here we're mapping our values between 0 and 10. Hi, Mr. Bird. Please don't step on the keyboard. We will appreciate that. Well, anyways, yeah, we're still getting light level above 7. That's still to ground, right? So it's pulled up, hopefully. Good, and 0. So if I start turning the potentiometer up, let's move our COM port to up here. No, that's wrong. Yeah, that's good. I need to add another source. Hoo-hoo! Excellent toot. We're looking for COM4. There we go. Mister, don't step on keys! Thank you. Oof. That's pretty gross looking. I don't like it. Nope. Need to go the other way, dang it. It's okay. I'll let you guys see it. So now I can come over here, change the level, and you'll see it update. Ow! That hurt my feelings, birdie. Oh no. He's gonna interfere. He's doing it. He's doing it. He got it. He got it. We've been successfully hunted by a bird. Oh. Nice going, bud. But I gotta put that back. We are specifically asking for trouble by keeping him here, but that's fine. He's my bird friend and I like it. Okay, I'm not seeing any readout on this water level. The comm probably hasn't updated. Let's just reopen our comms port. There we go. That's good. Mister. Alright, so. Hoot! Hooter doot. Why don't you do that over here? Alright, give him your biggest toots. Come on. Oh yes, the audience loves it. Keep it up. Nice. Alrighty. Hoot. Woo! Hoot! He don't get enough love, poor birdie. What boy? Oh my gosh, Flair. He is getting so much bird love.
No.
Alright, destroy everything I love. Go on. Tippy taps. I still see your feet. Alright. Anyways, yeah, we see it in action. It's working. Don't peck that, please. You need to get out of here, cuteness. You gotta go. Look at this feather up here. Come on. I'm gonna just set him outside. Go on, get you, wild animal. Okay, back to us. So this check sensor stuff, why don't I put the output here too? Oops. Duplicated it. Oh hell yes, that's awesome. But over here I made it dark, so how about not copy. Paste duplicate. And this one will take the color correction off. Yes, this is good. And then we'll do color correction on this one. Let me just make my full screen projection of this really fast so I can see. It's pretty readable. What was that? I've heard that sound once before.
True.
Alright, we good. Let's start. Hey.
Oh, so I think you failed the all in the chat general.
Did
Oops. Yeah. It was supposed to be yellow if it worked properly. Oh well.
There, I'm a bastard. I just want to chit-chat with my friends. Probably don't need all those lights on. Ooh, I got an idea actually. We're just gonna continue. We'll deal with the dark spot. Ah, let it wash out, let it wash out. We're golden. Alright. We check sensors. We're gonna want to do one of those, what do they call them? State machine, I guess? I guess that's what they call them? We'll probably get rid of that current print mode. Or we'll do like a if debug is true situation. His chicken feet are on the thumbnail, that's so cute. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pass this off to another function after we check the sensors. Or actually, no. Yeah, that would be a good idea. And we want to pass it... daymap? And... what? Probably water map. I gotta make these volatile. Things that get interacted with and changed a bunch need to be volatile. Otherwise, I don't know what could happen. Actually, no. Maybe... we'll just see what happens. If it acts weird, we'll make it volatile. So we send it daymap and water map. Oops. Probably need to define what's going on here. Oh, Foxy Pop.
What?
I need to share the screen with you, otherwise you'd have to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Here. Let's... oops, that's wrong. And then go to Discord. Then I'll move Discord. That's good. Alright, all my monitors are in order. Everything's looking up. Oh dude, I could actually hold this chat. Whoops. I was going to say, I could take this, move it all the way that way. I don't even need to look at the light level thing because that's going to be on screen at all times. Ugh, I hate the way this guy formatted it. Cool. Current cycle is not equal to cycles to sleep. And let's make it 8, 16, 24, make it 5. What is 5 times 8? 40? We'll make it 40 seconds long. And then after 40 seconds it'll reset. So while we're not at that countdown, we'll check the sensors, update the current cycle, and if we reach 5 cycles, then we reset the entire thing. We're going to take check sensors out of the setup. Actually, no. Yes, it'll stay out. Because we're going to check it every time we check the cycle, so every 8 seconds, I guess? I think I know how to do that. We'll do every 40 seconds, it'll run check sensors. We'll give it 80 seconds until it resets, just for now. And we need to create... no, we don't. Back in the loop, let us do another nested if. No, that's not gonna work. What up, Danny? I wonder if we could do a table and just see if it is the cycle on the table. We're trying to code stuff.
Hopefully it works, or you just miss one like little comment or something and then everything breaks. Or it breaks and you don't understand why, because everything is actually where it's supposed to be.
So what is 15 minutes in increments of 8? Let's look. $15 times 60 divided by 8. Okay, we'll just go with 11 cycles, and then we'll bump it up to its actual value. Just need to add a 2 to that, and then we'll have approximately 15 minutes. This one can be a byte because it's not going to be over 250. We want to use bytes when possible. We may need to go look up how to do tables on Arduino. Or arrays, I should say. We'll name it cycles to check, and so we want to check probably every 5 minutes, so 5 times 60. 300 divided by 8, 37.5, so we'll just go with 3. And I think we'll check it in 5-minute intervals. I'm expecting this thing will probably run in the daylight immediately as soon as the sun starts creeping over the mountain.
Hopefully.
There we go. So we're gonna check 3, 6, and 9. Those are approximately 5-minute intervals, scaled down, so whatever 5 minutes divided by 10 is. That's such a disgusting math to think about. 5 minutes divided by 5. You have to like break it into seconds, and then... maybe 50 seconds? I don't know. Oopsie doodle, I don't need that. So 3, 6, and 9. 1, 0, 1, 2. So we're just going to right now comment this out and make some dummy code. So void dummy print, or serial I should say, serial.print. We're calling the serial thingamajiggy on USB to go through and print. Oh god. And what we want it to print is the table. So we'll do a for loop for... And let's go back, look at a reference, because I need to catch up on this. Just type in for. So we do initialization condition increment. For I equals 0 to 255. Ours will be 0 to 2. I++. Can I do a byte? So I will start out initially 0. The condition is less than or equal to 2? Ah, fingers. I++ increments it. So we'll print cycles to check, and then inside the box I think we do I. Let's verify it real fast. Expected, of course. Done compiling, it's good, and we are uploading to see what he do. We're really just reading the serial monitor here. Done uploading. Oh, we didn't... There's us being a dummy. We didn't put it in the loop.
Good job.
There. Now it'll actually run every loop. Oh god, that would be bad. We'll do this every 2.5 seconds. How about that? It would have just filled up that serial monitor and looked so gross. Oh. Well, it's working exactly as I expect it would. I just had the output wrong. Hopefully we can get some Gronkelmeyer in here and so he can watch what we're doing. 369. 369. Oh no! Watchdog timer overrun. That's not good. That's probably because we're not using the watchdog timer to sleep. That's exactly because we're not using the watchdog timer to sleep. Alright, well, the dummy thing works like I expected to, so... Go back here and uncomment everything. And so here we'll do if current cycle is equal to I. And we'll rename the function to check daylight. Oh, we already had a check daylight function. We don't need it anymore. We'll just do if the day map is greater than or equal to 5. So half of the thing lit up. Oh, that's gross. Get out of my keyboard. You have a fucking hot glue blob. So, tomorrow's gonna be fun. We're getting some stepper motors to play with.
Yep, you're getting all kinds of stuff to play with.
I might be building a, I might build a 3D printer.
Nice.
That watchdog timer interrupt is a-okay, guys. Nothing to worry about. We'll make... Here's how we'll check the daylight. We'll define a boolean as daytime. Or how about time day equals false. I don't know if it needs to be volatile or not. Probably not. And then we'll do time day equals true. Then we'll do else. Give it a shitty check. Print was not declared in this scope. Duh. So right now we're going to set up the code for if time day is equal to true. So we're starting a loop 0 through 2, so 1, 2, 3 basically. And right here where I have I, we need to go up to the table, and what was this called? Cycles to check, and we'll stick that in there with I. Perfect, so 3, 6, and 9 should be the values it checks for now. If the value is over that. So what are we currently actually looking at? Oh, we don't have a value on screen. Thanks. Hee 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 hee. Let's verify. Alright, it doesn't kill everything. Lie. It says le. Lee. Schlevel. Oh no, what have we done? Level. Oh no, this is bad. I'll just add some delays in the code and see if that helps. Yeah, perfect. It just needed some delays after printing, I think. Oh, actually, you know what? I'll put the delay up here. Alright, so the light level is definitely over 9, that's perfect. We need to define serial, or point to serial when we do prints. I need to remember that. Right. This is a check for daytime. It doesn't look to be doing anything yet. Let's see what it does on the third check. Alright, we want to do this outside of the loop then. So we'll do it down here. Hey, check it out, Flare. Oh god, that is so messy. No, I think I is a local value, so...
Wah.
Wah. All right. Let's see how it behaves now. Ew, gross! Ugh. Blech. Forgetting how to do this function. I was not declared in this scope. Yep. I have no idea where we went wrong. Any advice, Fox? There we go. Okay. It's inside the for loop. So if daymap just equals 5, no, not time day equals true. We want to do I equals 2. So this condition only runs the last time. And idiot, we didn't do the serial. We want it to print a line. So now it should run 3 times, do its business.
That was great. I didn't notice the bird feet.
Did you look at the little
Yeah,
doodly dude?
Yeah, I didn't notice the bird feet until Malik pointed out. I was like, oh, there is bird feet.
That condition is not doing it. Let's see. So that should be I is 0. That should be 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nah. Oh, and then it rebooted, so it did not do what I was expecting it to do. Dang it. Dang it, science! Aha! I have a better idea. Check sensors. Nope. This may or may not work. Okay, check daylight. So that'll check it 3 times. That condition will fail most of its times. We might bypass the for loop for the second. Let's just, this is easier for me. I will redo the function. Also, Flair, are you following along on YouTube or are you watching?
I'm watching you on Discord.
Discord, sweet. No, actually, I think that code's okay. Let's just try it, see what it do. Worst case scenario, it does nothing. Bum bum. Do 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 do. Bird. Mario Paint music. This ain't no Mario Paint. We're just watching this thing slowly work. Hey, there it goes. So now it's only going to check it 3 times before it reboots. A blink? I wonder what blinked. Oh, was that the transmit pin? You may have seen the transmit pin blinking. Basically, the important thing to be looking at is the console output over on the right. Rebooted. Yep, so it did the check 3 times. We'll bump these values down now. We'll just go 1, 3, and 5. And we'll make it reboot on cycle 5. So that should make it work significantly faster for testing purposes. Light check was true. I wonder if there's a serial.clear. Let me find out. Well, it does go significantly faster. I don't think there's a... That's gross. Serial write 13. Okay, that's a gross workaround. We'll try it. Under the void setup, we will... How many lines does this thing have? 1, 2, a lot. This is gross, and I hate myself for putting a for loop inside of the setup. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm gonna guess 21. This is fucking silly. No, you're silly, Flare.
Oh, you're silly.
You are a goose. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba. And this is the Wii Shop channel music, by the way.
Don't make me get that parody of the song. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. I can't hear it, but I'm just imagining it now.
Da da. Ba ba ha ba ha. Alright. So now let's think of what we do after we've determined all of those are correct. So I think at the end we'll do if current cycle is 5 and oh, we need to do one of these. Here we go. It's in its parentheses. What the hell? Did it just do some shiesty shit? Eep. Alright, so if current cycle is the last cycle, basically. And time day equals true. And now we need an output. This is where we start bringing our toy into the equation. Yeah. Gonna be kind of hard to get this into frame. Anyways, we have a relay. And that's essentially what we're going to be outputting to, is this relay for the time being. Until my logic level MOSFETs show up, we're just going to use a relay. If the logic level MOSFET works good for powering the motor, we'll just use that. Oh, I suppose I should watch this light function work. Yeah, it clears the screen away. That makes me happy. Do we have an output pin? Yes, pin 13. So, digital write. There we go. Let's upload this bitch. Yeah. Okay, so now it should take 10 seconds if this condition is met. We don't have an output pin. Let's establish that. Ah! Bah! Pretend we're watering. Okay. We're gonna take these wires from the relay. Our ground is going to be black. What is our output? 13? Let's get an LED anyways. Those are helpful. God, this is a mess. I love how it keeps running down the watchdog timer now. Okay, enough using my giant mitts. We're using a tweezer. Alright, moment of truth.
Don't hear anything.
Oh no, it's staying on.
Wilson!
Oh god, did you hear it click a whole bunch? Oh no. What the
I
fuck?
heard that though.
You heard it?
Yes.
Oh my god. 13 is not a good pin. You heard it? Oh my god. What about you, Malik? Did you hear the clickies? Ow! It's because pin 13 is the built-in LED, and the built-in LED does some silly shit when it does some silly shit. Let's just say that. Okay, it's toggling right. Here, let's do that again, because that sounded fucking hilarious. Just when the thing, like, re-uploads its code. Tiki tiki tiki. Tiki tiki tiki.
Ah, ah. How dare you? No, how dare you?
How dare you?
How dare you?
How dare you be cute?
No, no, no. You're the cute one.
Alright, so now we need to see the condition of it failing. What's going on? We're circuit boarding. Did you just steal back your computer from the wife? Okay, looks like it succeeded. And then if we turn it back on... we probably need to put in some code instead of toggling the light... instead of toggling daylight to that at the very beginning, we should do like a count, and then if at the end the count equals 3. Yeah, I think I'll do that. We'll go up here. Unfortunately, I moved my mic way too around. So now it doesn't want to be around my desk. I need to get a boom arm for my mic. That would be beneficial. One of those actual proper big ones. Big boy boom. Okay, we need a byte. And we'll call it toe beans. No, we'll call this byte. Also, why, I would like to actually, dang it, I don't see your guys' stuff on the overlay. How about this? Pretend we are watering. I heard the click. I see the LED is on, even though it's not too bright. And then I need to do some checking to see if the water level is lower than 5 or so. But we're going to do a byte. What should we call it? Time day count equals 0. And then we'll go back down to this check daylight. And instead of we probably can just comment this out now, and we'll do day count increment. Otherwise, do nothing. It might be pertinent to check the sensors first, because we also want it to not even run in the first place if the water soil moisture the soil moisture, I don't know, we'll figure that one out. I think we're gonna be done in a couple minutes. I just want to verify this works. Oh. Four. Oh god. Something is vastly wrong here. For loop. It's the right cycle. Map. Intersleep was not declared in this scope. Excuse me? Say what?
It says what exactly it means. Wasn't declared.
We're missing a thing. That's ending way too early. So the for loop is missing one. There we go. That should clear now. Clickety clickety click. Clickety click. I love the sound of relays clicking. That is very satisfying to me. Light check was true. Alright. It works! That's the daylight sensor. Now, when we pick this back up, we need to do the water level sensor next. And that's absolutely fine for the watchdog timer to overrun. That just lets me know that it did its water cycle. Then later, because this is essentially going to, I wonder if there's a way to, like, have it keep that pin on. I don't know. We don't want the watchdog timer to overrun and then break, because after we do the watering, we want it to reboot, and this is gonna basically run across a period of like 30 minutes. It'll do 30 minutes worth of checks throughout the day. Alright. Thanks for tuning in, though. This has been fun.
And showing off your skills. You're good at them. Or at least decent.
I would say somewhere between novice and decent. It's fun nonetheless. Wait a second. Just realized something. I was using the wrong size resistor. I was using a 200K resistor. Ha! Look at that! Now you can actually see it. Well, fucking shit, mate! I'll catch you guys around. That's us winning.